Hey guys, in case you haven't seen my iPhone 12 video, I'm doing a giveaway, iPhone 12 64 gigabytes in green. So just subscribe, go follow my Twitter, comment on the post that's pinned, and then retweet it. Just tell me what you love about the iPhone 12. The more detailed rules are on my previous video, so you should go check that out after this video. So here are 14 hidden features in iOS 14. I'm sure you'll learn at least one thing from this video, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Number one is back tap. So you can tap the back of your phone and configure certain actions. So for me, double tapping is screenshot, triple tapping is going into Control Center. Because with Control Center, I think it's very helpful because when you're using, one-handed usage, opening Control Center is the upper right corner, it's far away. So it's just more convenient. Number two is FaceTime eye contact. If you toggle this on a FaceTime call, if you're looking at another part of the screen, your iPhone will make it look like your eyes are looking at the camera, so people think you're paying attention to them. It's pretty neat, yeah. Number three is sound recognition. Your phone will actually notify you if it hears certain things that might matter to you. Examples being a gas leak, baby crying, a car horn, your dog barking or something. These can come in handy if you have headphones on. I haven't tested that, but I think it would be handy. Yeah, or in the right situations. This video sponsor is Wondershare. Do you work and read and do things with PDF files? Well, a lot of people do, and if you do, you should definitely check out Wondershare's new High PDF software. It lets you maintain high document productivity when working on your computer to your mobile phone. High PDF can compress, convert, and merge PDFs and images. So as you can see, I'm compressing this business document right now, and it reduced the file size by 40%. This is just one of the many dope things High PDF can do. So link is in the description if you want to check out High PDF by Wondershare. Also pinned in the comments. Number four is app clips. These are short actions that can be done in the Maps app to interact with businesses or restaurants without downloading their dedicated app, like from the App Store. So one example that I could only actually find was Panera. So you don't have to download the app onto your phone to actually order food anymore. You could just use app clips. Number five is Selfie Mirror. Something the front camera's always done is it flips the image to show how people would actually see the image facing you. But selfies mainly. If you don't appreciate that, you can disable the feature, so which is pretty cool. Emoji Search. This isn't very hidden, but it's definitely something that you could miss. It's sort of a hidden in plain sight kind of thing, at least from my perspective. Just search for an emoji you'd like to use. It's pretty simple. Hide the hidden album. In your Photos app, there's a hidden album. You've always been able to hide certain photos and videos you don't want people to see in your camera roll. It'll be sent to that hidden album, but that album could never actually be hidden. Now, if you'd like, it can be hidden now through the following steps. Number 8, you can control where downloaded apps appear. So Apple introduced the new library feature, the drawer, which cleans up your apps, which I absolutely love. But when you download an app now, you can choose whether you want the app to go straight to the library or to your home screen. Number 9 is you can scrub through your home screen pages. So if you're someone with a lot of pages of apps, which you shouldn't be with this new app drawer, but if you do, you can actually scrub through the little dots, you can scrub through to the end pages. It's just it's much quicker to get to the end page. You don't have to swipe, you don't have to go through that annoyance. So number 10 is you can make phone calls full screen in iOS. In iOS 14, they made the phone calls unobtrusive, myself included. I love it. I don't want to have to wait for the ringing of a call to end to continue using my phone. But if you'd like, you can revert back to the full screen calls. Number 11 is you can go through the feature on Maps, like Outlook, I think. Just go out somewhere on the Maps app and scrub through. It's pretty cool. Number 12 is voice memos enhancements. So if you're recording something in the voice memos app, you can actually edit and you can click enhance and it removes some background noise, which is pretty cool under many scenarios. Number 13 is speeding and red light traffic cameras. So this is an Apple CarPlay feature only. It's slowly rolling out. Unfortunately, my car doesn't have CarPlay. It shows traffic cameras at intersections, so that's pretty cool. Lastly is number 14. You can help the accuracy of your location in the Maps app. So if your iPhone is struggling to find your precise location, you can scan the area to help it locate you. So those are all the hidden features I've got for you guys. Let me know in the comments if you learned something new. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. This video might have been kind of short. I don't know. We'll see.